In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Exness server on MT5. Now to do this, first you want to open MT5 on your computer like this. Then you want to go to the top left, click on File, and then click on Open an account over here. Now from here, if you've never done this before, it's going to be an empty list. But when you go in the top here and you type in Exness like this, it's going to find a bunch of things when you click on Find Your Company. As you can see here, for me, it's preloaded because I've done that before. But in my case here, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. There's the MU, SC, UK, VG, KE, etc. There's a bunch of different Exness in here. So what you want to do, usually, I'm going to tell you right away, it's this one down here. But to actually make sure you know which one it is, here's what you can do. You can go to your Exness dashboard, so your personal area, and you want to find the account which you want to use. So for example, if I go to demo, I'm going to pick one MT5 demo account like this one, the MT5 standard. You want to click on the three dots and then click on here where it says account information. From here, it's going to say server, and you can see the server name. Copy this server name and then go back to MT5. In here, go back to open an account, and then instead of typing in just Exness, paste in what we copied. So right click and paste, or press Ctrl V, and then click on Find Your Company. As you can see, it automatically took me to Exness Technologies Ltd, which means this is the correct one. And if I actually click in here and go to Next, you'll see that now if I go to connect with existing trade account, you can see here I'll actually be able to find the trial 11. So you have to just look for it in here. So it should be somewhere over here on the list. Usually you just have to search for it because these numbers aren't in order. There we go, MT5 trial 11. It's actually in here. I found the correct server. Now I just have to put in the login and the password and I'm good to go. Let's actually do this with a real account as well. So if I go to real over here, I'm actually gonna go and select one of these like this one, for example, account info. And as you can see here right now, it's not on MT5. So let me actually switch this to MT5 really quickly. I'm going to make one just so we can see how this works. I'm going to type in a password I'm going to use over here just very quickly. There we go, create account. And there we go, we have the MT5. If I go to account info, you can see Exness MT5 Real 11. If I copy this, I go back, I go to file and then open an account. Type it in, find your company. There we go, the same one's gonna pop up, okay? So in most cases, it's gonna be this one, but of course, it may also be a different one. Just go ahead and check it like I showed you. But if for some reason it doesn't work, I would recommend just trying this one because most of the time, as you are able to see, it's gonna be actually this one, which you have to use for your server on MT5. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.